Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miss Sonia Khan and I am from Bahria College DHA Phase 2. My subject is English of class 10 Karachi Board, and today we are going to learn grammar composition and our topic is application and letter writing. Application writing. So before starting we should know what is an application. Applications are the form of verbal and written communication which contain information of message sent by one party to another to convey the message. Okay, application is written for purpose with a specific object in mind. It uses simple language and that can be easy to understand and interpret. Okay, what is application, right? As you know that class gave, whenever we attempt C section, the second question after essay writing is application writing, and it comes always in our exams that we have to write an application of our principal of your school on any topic. Why it is important and what comes in exams? Whenever we have to convey any message or any request to any formal personality or official person, we have to write an application to convey our message or any request. So it is necessary that we know the application writing and it is format also. The format of application is so much important. If you write according to it, so you can easily convey your message very effectively also. So application, this was the definition of application. Lekin now I'm telling you what is application and why we write an application and how application should be. As I told you, when we convey our message to any official person, we have to write an application, and that is called application, a formal way of writing to someone. Okay, how should be application should be a precise, it means it should be short and to the point. When we write an application, we have to direct convey our message or request to the concerned person. Application writing is easy and simple. Obviously it is too easy. After knowing the format of application, you can easily write an application. In examination, half marks are dedicated to pattern and rest of them are for the body paragraph. When exams, it comes as a question, so it also have a marks. For example, if it has a 6 marks, application has 6 marks, so half marks are dedicated to pattern and rest of them for the body. Pattern is too much important in application writing. If you write according to the pattern, so you can easily get 3 marks of application. And body paragraph is related to the topic which you have to write on it. So pattern is also very important, and we in next slide we will learn about the pattern. Keep in mind that always start an application from a new page. This is very important, and every student should know that when we start an application should be from a new page. Don't start application in mid of the page or after any question. It should be on a one page and a new start with a new page. Application should be in a one page in examination, so you can get a complete and full marks of your application. Okay, after telling what is an application, now we are moving toward parts of an application. As you know that when we have to write something, so it has a parts. As essay has a parts, application also has a parts. So the first part of an application is heading. It contains the name, receiver, to whom the application is being written. The first and most important part, heading. As you know, when we write an application, in the first line we mention the name of the person to whom we are writing an application. So this is called heading, in which we write the name of the receiver. The second part of an application is inside address. When we write an application, the first line we name the person to whom we are writing, in the second line we write the address. You know very well. And so it is called inside address, the address of the person to whom we are writing application or organization. The third part of the application is subject, the most and main part of the application, in which you have to mention the purpose of your application, to why you are writing application. It should be very short or in a heading form. The fourth part of application is salutation. Salutation mean to greet, okay, an expression of greeting to receiver that come immediately before body. Okay, salutation is a first part of the body in which you have to salute the person to whom you are writing, and it come immediately before the body part. Okay, after salutation, the body comes of application. This is very important part. In this body part you have to completely write the purpose of your application in detail. In this part where you may convey all message you want to your reader to understand, you have to mention the all that message you want to convey to your reader or receiver. The second last part of your application is complementary closing. As you know that there is a fixed phrases or sentences for complementary closing. When you close your application, you have to write the complementary closing. It serves to end the message just as end the conversation. So it should be closure of your body in which you have to end the conversation, and it is a fixed phrase. Okay, the last part of the application is signature. It contains name and class of the writer. Okay, as you know that when we end the application, at the end we mention our name and the class, so this part of the application is called signature. Okay, so there are 7 parts of application. The first one is heading, second is inside address, third is subject, fourth is salutation, fifth is body of application, sixth is complementary closing, and the last part of application is signature. Okay, layout and format for application. Layout and format, this is also called pattern of the application. You have to write the application on a fixed pattern. So this is the layout and format of application, which I have previously explained. That first of all the heading comes. In the second line we have to mention the address. After mentioning address we have to mention the subject. After subject we write salutation. After direct salutation we write the body. Then after body we have to end the body we have to write the complementary closing, and after complementary closing at the end we have to write the signature, and the application will be written in this format. It should be left to left. All headings are starting from left to left, and you have to skip a line after each action. For example, after heading and address you have to skip the line, then you have to write subject, then skip a line, then start salutation. After salutation skip a line, write the complete body paragraph, then complementary closing, again skip a line. After skipping a line you have to mention the signature, in which you have to write your name and a class, and at the end you have to mention the date of that day. Okay, now it's time for a structure, that how can we write an application. First of all you have to write down the address of a person and organization to whom you are writing on the left side. Okay, in second, leave a one line space and write subject, the purpose of your application, as I have already explained. And third, write salutation, start with respected and write the name of the person, sir or madam. Fourth, leave a one line space and write your body of application. Write as short as possible. You have to write the actual information in the body of application. In fifth, leave one line space and write complementary closing, for example, yours truly. And in last line write signature, your name, class and date. This is the format of an NA application, and you have to write from left to left. Oh, okay student, here is an example of sick leave, that how can we write according to the format and layout, or according to the structure or parts of the application. First, the principal, this is called heading. In second, ABC school, this is called Karachi, this is called address. After skipping a line, this is subject, in which we have mentioned the subject why we are writing an application. And then again we skipped a line, Then we start with salutation. The respected sir, this is called salutation. This is a part of an application. After skipping a line, we have mentioned the body paragraph. In body paragraph, we should be short to the point, and the purpose of our application we will mention in it. With all due respect, this is a fixed phrase we will always mention in start of an application. Okay, and this is the example, so I'm reading it for you. That I, ABC, student of class, would like to state that I have been unwell for past 2 days. I cannot therefore attend classes. It is humbly requested to grant me leave for a further 2 days, during which I hope to recover. Okay student, as you know that this is leave for sick, so that sick leave is too short and precise, to the point statement are given in the application. You have to mention like this, so it should be precise. Okay, at the end you are obediently XYZ class and date. You have to mention the date also at the end of the end of the application. Okay, as you can see that we have skipped a line after each statement. We also start from left to left, and it is in a one page, so you have to write the application always like in this format and this pattern. Okay, hopefully student you understand that how can we write an application. Now it's time for your home task. You have to write an application to your principal requesting for leave. Okay, give your own reason, keep the format in mind. Okay, again I have given you a choice that you have to write an application to your principal on leave and the reason of your own. You can write on any reason in which you want a leave from your principal, but it is necessary that keep the format in mind, that which I have told you before, that format is too much important. Okay, thank you so much student. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.